What we saw is that love heals wounds that medicine and counseling can't touch. Hi, I'm Jenny.
And I'm Evan, and we're the founders of REBOOT Recovery.
I was treating active duty soldiers with traumatic brain injury and post-traumatic stress from the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan. So it was readily apparent to me that while they had physical and mental wounds of war, that there was a soul wound. There was a spiritual component to trauma. And it was at the end of my clinical experience and my clinical tools that I discovered I had something special to offer them, which is the light and love of Christ. What we saw is that love heals wounds that medicine and counseling can't touch. They'd sit at the table like this. Maybe their wife dragged them there. And at the end of 12 weeks, they were coming in with their arms full of a bucket of fried chicken, excited to help set up the tables, picking up other people's kids and swinging them around. Like, just literal transformation. We walked through their dark times and they were instantaneously with us. I had a miscarriage and Evan was actually out of the state training some reboot leaders, so I was home alone. And he called some soldiers to come in the middle of the night and help me because I couldn't get up. I was passing out. We called an ambulance, and one of them stayed and cleaned up this mess in our house. Another one went and sat with me at the hospital. In a time when I could have felt incredibly alone, I never felt more loved, and I felt the Holy Spirit with me in a way that I've never experienced.
Before this sort of big boom of the business of counseling, like, who provided it? People who just slowed down their life enough. You get 100% of my attention. I'm in your corner. I'm going to stop what I'm doing. I'm going to be interruptible. That's really part of what we're doing, is we're sort of not really doing something new as much as like restoring something that's old.